On March 16, 2018 and July 1, 2018, two Amtrak Surfliner F59PHI locomotives moved across the country on the Southwest Chief. These two locomotives are part of a purchase by Metra in Chicago from Amtrak in California. Amtrak maintains a dedicated fleet of 15 EMD F59PHI locomotives painted to match the livery of the Surfliner cars. This fleet is slated to be supplemented and eventually replaced by a new order of 20 Siemens SC-44 Charger locomotives from 2018 to 2020. The EMD F59PHI fleet will continue to be used under Chicago commuter rail agency Metra's operations following their retirement from Amtrak. The F59PHIs, which were built by the Electro-Motive division of General Motors in 1998 and have been rehabbed within the last 5 years, have similar parts and operating characteristics to Metra's existing fleet of EMD F40s, some of which are 35 years old and are in need of overhaul. That means they can be integrated into the Metra system quickly and without extensive and expensive training of maintenance and operating crews. The F59s would also increase reliability, reduce pollution, and achieve fuel savings by about 10% to 25% over the older engines.
Track 1054, 1054, the Amtrak 4343 East, EAST. Exit box 2, TWO, proceed from Reach to Limits Albuquerque to control point Han on main 2, TWO. We're on 1 box mark 2 of 3 pin track 1054, 1054 to the Amtrak AMC 4343 East, EAST. Box 2, TWO, proceed from Reach to Limits Albuquerque to control point Han on main 2, TWO. Track 1 box mark 2 over. Track 1054, the Amtrak 43 East, again, 1227, 1227, JMB, over. Track 1054, Amtrak 43 East, okay, 1227, 1227, dispatcher, JMB, over. Correct, right, next one, over. Yes, sir, ready, copy, over. Track 1055, 1055, the Amtrak 43, 43 East, EAST. Exit box 2, TWO, proceed from control point Madrid to milepost 836.2, 836.TWO on the main track. Warren is 1 box mark 2 of track, repeated track 1055, 1055, the Amtrak AMC 4343 East EST. Box 2 TWO, proceed control point Madrid to milepost 836, 836.2 TWO on the main track. Track 1 box mark 2 over. Track 1055, Amtrak 43 East, gate 1228, 1228, JMB, over. Track 1055, Amtrak 43 East, gate 1228, 1228, dispatcher, JMB, over. That is correct, over. All correct, okay, we should be departing here shortly, over. Copy, by Joe.